Hey guys, look what came in the mail. These are the new seat covers for our 1994 SAAB 900 Turbo Convertible. They're being installed tomorrow, so that means we've got some repairs to make today. It is not at all uncommon to see a SAAB 900 with seams in the seat that are ripped and torn. Convertibles have it the worst, I think, because the sun just dries everything out. Look at how bad this one is. It's really shot. No sense trying to save this. So yeah, those sexy, soft new leather skins are going on tomorrow. So that means we have to fix a problem with the seat mechanism today. It's a power seat, moves back and forth, up and down just fine. However, this seat back is not working. You can't tilt it forward. You can't lift the lever to release the seat. And also the power adjustment doesn't work. So time to lift this seat out. Let's see if we can get that fixed. Removing 4 bolts is all it takes to get these power seats out of the car. Now there are 4 electric motors that control the movement underneath. And this is the one we care about. It turns 2 cables that control the recline of the seat back. When the black plastic sheath surrounding these cables break, it unevenly reclines or won't recline at all. If it reclines unevenly, it results in what some people call their twisted seat problem. Now, a guy from Norway produced an excellent video illustrating how to repair this problem. I really couldn't do any better than he did, so I'll just link to his video in the description below. I found that ordinary 3/8" fuel line worked great using his technique. Okay. Now get it seated on the track. Let's add some power and see what happens. So our seat is moving forward and back. That's good. Now will it tilt? Look at that. Hey, how about that? Success. And can we lift? We can. Awesome. Man, I am really impressed by the quality of these leather seat covers. They are beautiful. They smell great, and I think they're going to look just fantastic on the car when they get installed. I had them custom made, custom because I wanted this black piping. Now that is a feature that was original to the car. I think it was original only to the 1994 commemorative edition. But they're leather not only on the front but also on the back. In the factory original, the back was vinyl, so these are 100% leather. That's kind of neat. Here's the seat bottom. Underneath the leather is backed with a dense padding of foam here. I think that's going to feel really great. And I didn't know they were going to include this, but they also sent along leather headrest covers, so that's great. All this came from a company called World Upholstery in Santa Paula, California. I wish, man, don't I wish, that they were somehow sponsoring or otherwise helping me with the cost, because these little guys were pretty expensive. They cost almost as much as the car itself, just 2 seats. But you know what? What is more important than the interior of the car? Once you get it running right, what do people look for? They look at the interior and your experience in the car and the way these things look and feel. I think it's going to add a lot of value. So looking forward to getting these installed tomorrow. Well, this car just took a major step in the right direction. These new seats look fantastic. What an improvement over what had been here before. They are so wonderfully soft. It's surprising to me just how much more comfortable it made the seats. Now this is still all the original foam that was underneath the seats in this 94 model. And now with this new soft leather, it's able to conform to the shape of your body and really make these seats feel fantastic. I'm applying something called Aerospace 303. It is a protectant. It's not any type of a conditioner. Its role is just to provide UV protection for these new skins. You can use it on vinyl and rubber and lots of other surfaces in the car, and it gets rave reviews lots of places. And I've got a link to where I bought it in the description below. The car's most annoying cosmetic defect is now taken care of, and I'm in line to get into the shop to have the top replaced in a couple of weeks. So I'm going to shift my attention now back to some mechanical issues. Got a problem in the circuit for the brake lights. As you can see, they're not all operating, and I think that may be part of the reason that the cruise control is intermittent. Bigger concern, though, is the low turbo output. I'm stuck at base boost, and of course, that eliminates a lot of the fun that SAAB built into these cars in the first place. Those are just a couple of the repairs I need to make before my wife and I take the car to Pittsburgh in a couple of weeks. That's about a 6-hour drive, so I need to get into the shop and get busy. See you next time.